there's probably some background noise from the air conditioners running. But the truck looks pretty clean. We just went about an hour away. Had to go get fitted for a suit. It was pouring rain. Well, of course, bug season. And this truck hasn't been washed in 2 weeks. It's seen rain. Kind of crap. I think overall it looks pretty clean. So a lot of guys have been using F11, ceramic shield, the other Turtle Wax brand. I'll go through them in a little bit of what I use, the process I use, and how it seems to work for me and stay so clean. I'm going to cover some of the stuff I use on the interior. But I use a lot of chemical guy stuff. So this has 2 coats of F11 on it. But we do some stuff that kind of cheats for in between. But I guess I will get it washed. Rinse. That's an orbital tip. So we've got the truck washed and rinsed. So F11 doesn't really get that dirty. I mean, in the wintertime, obviously it will, but. So I use this stuff also. It's got F11 on the truck, but McGuire's makes a ceramic wax. So their initial install claims, they have to wipe it in the vehicle, then after that, you wash the vehicle, spray it on, rinse it off, and it adds protection. So I go through and wash the truck, fill up my foam cannon. By the time I wash the truck, I have about a half bottle left in my foam cannon. So I take some of this, like about 3 ounces, dump it in the foam cannon, and then spray it again and rinse it off. Last step, McGuire's Quick Detailer. So I use the foam cannon. use Maxi Suds wash. Use bleach weight on the tires. And then I use Chemical Guys Tire Shine. So we keep up on the truck. If it gets real filthy, I'll hand wash it, but just driving in the rain, the few bugs we had, I didn't feel a reason to. I think it's pretty clean, looks good. Go back over there, go over the products that I used on it. So stuff that I use. Go through the Maxi Suds and the foam cannon, wash the truck down. I normally don't use the whole foam cannon full. So once I do that, take whatever's left, dump about 3 ounces of the Meguiar's ceramic wax in there. Like I said, the truck's already coated in F11. So I go through, rinse it off, then spray the ceramic wax mixture on. And then at that time I use bleach weight on the tires. Hit the interior with dash way. Park the truck in the shade and I let it dry. It's decent, shiny, it's clean. Tire shine, I use Chemical Guys tire kicker. Been happy with that. A Grand Cherokee. Tried to put some of this on ceramic shield. F11's right, it is a knockoff. It's not as good. I mean, it works well. It's half the price, but it doesn't seem to hold up as well. Then our beater Subaru there. Seal and shine. Car beads up great with it. So, you know, I'll hand wash that quick. Spray it on, wipe down with this just so the car beads up. But yeah, those 6 products, that's what I use on the truck, and been happy with them.